Hello and welcome to Matilda Visits. We are in the very heart of Switzerland in Interlaken. But you know what? This should be the middle of winter. There is hardly any snow. The sun is shining. It's about 6 degrees. And yeah, so we'll have to see. We wanted to go skiing and we wanted to go sledding. I don't think that's gonna happen. This time we're staying in the Royal St. George Hotel here in the heart of Interlaken. Yeah, really old charm. It's fantastic.
Kleine, dicke, dünne, große, Lauterbrunnen und Mimose, Bockig, Schranze, Nirdenratsche, mein Bische, Kinden, bist dabei, frag nach Kind kann jeder sein. Wir lachen, laufen, machen Seich. Im Motor vor jeder Streich wirft ihr Rappli, bis ihr lüpft. Perfecti Tati. Welcome to the end of life on TV.
Wo gehen wir an, Matilda?
Welcome to the Grindelwald.
Towards the lake, 绕地步道。
Today we are in Grindelwald. We stayed overnight in Interlaken and now we're just doing some sledding here from the first mountain top all the way down to Grindelwald. Fantastic day, great weather. It is a bit on the scary side, this sledding path here. You go super fast and yeah, we are struggling to brake.
I
How do you like it, Matilda?
love
We fell completely over.
Beige hinten Büchterby, fort nach jeder sie. Wir laufen, machen und muss schaffen, jeder Stress.
Immer Mais am, oder was ist das? Ist das Fondue da hinten? Dinner?
How was the sledding?
It was fantastic.
Was it really fun or really scary?
Really fun. Mommy, why don't things not look like this anymore?
Everybody has a mobile phone. When I was a little girl, we had a phone.
Me too.
Like that.
What a fantastic day in the sun here. Couldn't have had better weather. We could have had more snow, but you know what, we're not complaining. The sledding was great fun. We can highly recommend it. There was, a rental. You can actually get them at the very top. And it was quite affordable to do that here in Grindelwald. So have a great time, guys. We'll see you next episode. See you again soon. Please do subscribe. Bye-bye.